I feel honored to extend warm welcome to the Honorable Delegation of the Oman Chamber of Commerce. Your visit symbolizes the enduring friendship between Pakistan and Jordan and makes a very important steps towards strengthening our commercial partnership. I'm pleased to mention that Pakistan and Jordan share a long-standing and cordial relationship rooted in the historical solidarity, reinforced by shared culture and religious ties. Over the years, this cooperation has expanded diplomatic trade and economic engagement with renowned efforts to further boost bilateral trade and investment. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Embassy of Pakistan in Jordan, the Trade Development Authority of Pakistan, and the Amman Chamber of Commerce for the instrumental role in facilitating the exchange of trade of delegation between the two nations. In June 2024, during the visit, our delegates were deeply impressed by the rich Jordanian culture and the warm hospitality extended to them. Especially appreciation is due to the Mr. Saad Ahmed Khattak Saab, Pakistan Trade and Investment Attaché in Oman, Mr. Nabil Al-Khatib, first Vice Chairman of the Oman Chamber of Commerce, for their exemplary support and coordination throughout the SCCI delegation visit. Their efforts have not only facilitated many chambers and the border business communities of Pakistan and Jordan, the Oman Chamber of Commerce and Industry and Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry have vital role to play in the regard by facilitating reciprocal trade delegation. I may mention here that despite the cordial relations between our nations, the current trade figures do not reflect the true potential between the two countries. According to the State Bank of Pakistan, the total bilateral trade stood at approximately US 55 million. Efforts to unlock the untapped opportunities that exist between the two countries. One of the main. Additionally, the standard value, the VAT rate is 16% to import goods from Pakistan. These factors collectively discourage Jordanian enterprises from sourcing high-quality products from Sialkot directly, despite the substantial market potential of 172 million US dollar in Jordan. To address these challenges, it is imperative for both governments to create a more conducive environment session to the tariff, streamlining visa application process for business travelers, and encouragement of single country exhibition and trade delegation to Al-Khatib, first Vice Chairman of Oman Chamber of Commerce, will continue to play a role in advancing these initiatives. His leadership and commitment are vital to realizing the full potential of Pakistan-Jordan trade relation. I would like to take this opportunity to highlight the remarkable city of Sialkot, a hub of skills and entrepreneurship. Sialkot's journey from craftsmanship to successful exporters exemplify the resilience and determination of its people, elevating to its status of Pakistan premier export-oriented city. Our small and medium enterprise earn foreign exchange of US dollar 2.5 billion annually. It is also worth noting that district Sialkot is the most labor intensive and enjoy one of the highest per capita income in the country. The guest would be pleased that our football field, hockey sticks, cricket gears, and boxing gloves are used in international games, including the Olympic, World Cups. The city has gained global recognition for producing official match ball for the FIFA World Cup. Guests will be pleased to know that Al-Rahla, the official match ball of the FIFA World Cup 2022 in Qatar, was proudly manufactured here in Sialkot, continuing our tradition of excellence. Sialkot has a century-long surgeons, beauticians, and dentists. Sialkot also hold a top position globally in leather products and textile sportswear. In addition to our business achievement, we have made remarkable strides in social sector development and the welfare of our people through projects such as Sialkot Airport, Sialkot Dry Port, Sialkot Organization, Sialkot Export Processing Zone, Sialkot Business and Commerce Center, Sialkot Tennis Zone, Air Sial, and Sialkot Medical City is also under consideration. To visually showcase the achievement of Sialkot productive business community in both enterprise and social welfare. We have prepared a documentary which will be presented after my speech. I may sum up thanking Mr. Nabil and the delegation from the Amman Chamber of Commerce for visiting Sialkot Chamber. I look forward to a long and prosperous partnership between Pakistan and the Jordan. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Gratitudes and great appreciation on behalf of Chairman of Board of Amman Chamber of Commerce and board members, as well as the Jordanian delegation who are coming with me, and I am proud to have them with me today for our friendship country, because the relation between Jordan and Pakistan, it is as well as in the political side. Therefore, we are eager really to expand our cooperation. We are eager to expand our investment here, even in Pakistan, as well as inviting Pakistani industries to come to Jordan and to invest, being Jordan is enjoying a very you will notice, or why you have decided to come here. This is one of the main issues. We are convinced 100% that with our relation with Sialkot Chamber of Commerce, which is the city of export in Pakistan, and to encourage export from here to Jordan, and also for Jordanian products to be exported to Pakistan. As you are fully aware, the main issue which could be a critical point regarding no direct flying from Amman to Karachi or from Jordan to any, so we do not feel there is an issue for that. And we got more impression about all the products for mineral health, as well as the major issues for that. And we understood we hope that we will be able to improve and to start sending delegations from our side, because without sending delegation, that will be, it is the right solution or the right way to enhance people to come. Since we are, Amman is the largest chamber of commerce in Jordan, and so 11 million, when we are having in Amman chamber 50,000, it means a great and big figure. Then we have 16 chamber of commerces. 16 is spread all over the country, in the north, in the middle, and in the south. But the major and the main chamber is Amman chamber, where we are here coming to see opportunities and to look for improving the business relation. We are inviting also you to come to Jordan with your traders, with main exporters, where we will be able to hand from all sectors during our cooperation with the commercial attaché.
And see where we can collaborate with each other.